What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can connect your Trust wallet to the Bullx Neo platform. So let's get started. Now first, once you open up your Bullx Neo account, you will be on your homepage right here. So to connect your Trust wallet, you would need to go to this menu right here on the left hand side and select the Wallet Manager option right here. Now, once your wallet manager loaded up, just be sure that you have Trust Wallet extension enabled right here. So as you can see, I'm currently on the Solana network right here, and we also have our Phantom already connected as our withdrawal wallet. So for this example, we will be connecting Trust Wallet, more specifically the Tron network from the Trust Wallet. So just be sure that you selected the Tron network if you want to connect the Tron network. If you want to connect your Solana withdrawal address, you just need to select Solana here. But as I said, let's go ahead with the Tron network. So once you select the Tron network, you would need to click Add Wallet right here. Then again, just make sure you're on the Tron network right here. And here we would need to input our wallet name. So let's call this Trust Wallet. Once you named your wallet, you would need to input the wallet address. Now keep in mind, because we selected Tron, we would need to input our Trust Wallet Tron address right here. So let's go ahead and open our Trust Wallet extension and scroll down until we can see Tron. Now, if you can't see Tron on your Phantom wallet right here, you would just need to search it right here. Now, let's just go ahead and select Tron. And now we would need to click on the Receive option to get our public Tron address so we can input it right here. Once you click that, go ahead and click this copy icon right here, next to your public address. Then we can just simply paste that address right here and click Add Wallet. And there we go. Now your Trust Wallet has been connected and added to Bullx Neo, and you can withdraw your funds to that wallet. So that's guys how you can connect or add Trust Wallet to Bullx Neo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.